Hey there, Amar here. Today I've got something exciting for you, especially if you are looking to supercharge your email list building and take your online presence to the next level. But before we dive in, make sure you stick around until the end because I'll be showing you step by step how to set up these incredible done-for-you capture page templates. Alright, let's cut the chase. I'm super excited to share with you an offer that is a game changer in list building. 8 lead magnet funnels to build a huge email list. These are a special blowout of some lead magnet funnels which also come with white label licenses. And if you decide, of course, to grab these 8 lead magnet done for you affiliate funnels from the link below this video, I've got 3 exclusive bonuses for you. These funnels were created specially to build email lists to make money online, and it gets better because each one of them comes with white label license, which means that you can sell them and keep 100% of the profit for yourself. And each one of these lead magnets comes with the main report, the report cover, professional HTML squeeze page, the report download page, 7-day autoresponder email sequence, and full setup instructions. As you can see, it comes also with a sales page that you can use to sell these reports. This is number 1, make money online in 2024. The second one is AI cash code. The third one, and as you can see, all of them come with a sales page. Third one is easy bonus creation, and you have 50 email ideas to send to your list, and you have up to 8 products, 30 unusual ways to build a bigger email list. The next one, 50 profitable niche YouTube ideas. The number 7 is 50 productive prompts for digital marketers, and the number 8 will be free traffic hacks for 2024. So you will get all these capture pages, and my bonus to you actually will be also 10 other exciting capture pages, high converting capture pages with private label rights that you can sell. I will give you this package completely for free when you purchase the previous offer on one of these red buttons here. It's not only that, but I will show you exactly step by step how to import these pages and set them up, customize them on LeadsLeap. I will give you also 5 extra lead magnet done for you funnels which I created myself, so you get the reports, the pages, you get the thank you pages that you can rebrand and monetize. Let me give you a quick overview of my bonus number 2, which is 5 done for you affiliate funnels with lead magnets with private label rights when you grab the offer I am offering you today. So each one of these done for you funnels comes with a high converting capture page to build your email list, and also welcome email and 7 days follow-up series. But the best thing is that it comes also with a thank you page that is rebrandable and monetizable. When you change your affiliate links here, you deliver the training and the lead magnet, the downloadable lead magnet, and also you can earn affiliate commissions from these offers here. So as you can see here, every funnel comes with a high converting capture page and all the rest. All you have to do is set it up and promote. And the best thing is that I show you step by step how to import all the system into your LeadsLeap account and start setting it up and promoting it. This is one of the PLR reports that you will be getting inside of one of the bonuses, and let's be honest, the lead magnet is very important. It's the first contact with your future subscriber. You have to give something of value, something that resolves a problem or answers a question. So the quality of the lead magnet has an important role in the conversion later. So when you give something of value, your future prospects, your future subscribers will be more inclined to open your emails, check what you have to offer, and maybe purchase from your affiliate links. And by the way, you will get access also to this page here, to this splash page with the video to promote the 5 lead magnets that I'm giving away at once, plus your favorite opportunity. So you can use a page just like this one and then promote multiple offers at once. The second bonus that you'll be getting for free when you decide to take the offer from the link below this video is the exclusive private label rights to 10 high converting capture pages that I made myself. All you have to do is fill in the blanks. You put your headlines, put your subheadlines, put any graphics you want, and then just save and connect to your email list and start building your list. I'm selling this for $10 now, but the price will go up soon, and I'm giving it away for free if you decide to grab the 8 lead magnet funnels from the link below this video. And in a moment I will show you exactly how to import these pages and set them up. Alright, I'm going to show you how easy it is to import these pages into your Leads Leap account. Just follow these steps and within minutes you will have professionally designed pages ready to roll. So once on your Leads Leap account, go to the left and find Page Manager. So click on it here on the left hand side, and then it will open, allowing you to create new pages. So click here to add a new page and then give it a name. Let's call it just Capture Page. This is our capture page, and click add now. The page will be created, but it's empty with no design. So you need to import one of those designs. Let's take number 9 for example. You click here, add a new design, and then you paste the share code that you get from me. You paste it right here and click import now. I just did that and page was created. If I click on this link now, I will see the design that I just imported, and this is it. So you go back to your Leads Leap account and then you click this button here, Launch Editor, in order for you to be able to customize the design and to match your needs. So this is the first part on the top that is giving an idea of what you are offering. I put here get free access to this awesome tool, content, or training now. And there is this attention grabbing sign. Attention, this is a limited time offer, creating urgency. And then you put your main headline right here, a subheadline here, a subheadline or a call to action here. People will put their email address here. Click the button, make it happen. Start now. It's an awesome also call to action. After that, they will be entered to your email list that you'll be attaching to this page. Of course, this graphic also can be changed. You just click on it and then you click on the side here and you go and find another graphic on your computer to be here, and then of course you can resize it. If you want to change the headline, you click on it and you go to the right side here and you put the text that you want to replace it with. You can go to the footer part as well and put the name of your website right here. You can click and modify at the right side here. You can change the links on the footer. And very important thing, actually, you need to attach the capture page to the list that you want to build. So you go to the right hand side here, it says list. You click on it, and then if you want to use a Leads Leap list, you click on the first button here. If you want to use a get response or any other third-party manager, you click on this one. So this is, I use Leads Leap Steed list manager, so I click on this one and then I will go to get the list ID I want to build. I click here and go to find the list. Let's take this one for example, and now the capture page is attached to this list. Anyone who puts his email address and clicks the button will be entered to this list, and if there are follow-up email series, he will receive them in the future. Very important to put a link in this field here. This is called the bridge page. When people click on the button to subscribe to your list, they will be taken somewhere, and you want them to go somewhere where you make affiliate commissions. So for example, this link here might be your affiliate link for this same offer. I mean, you go, you get your affiliate link from Warrior Plus and you paste it here, and don't forget to save the changes. But of course, it can be any other affiliate link. Now let's save and go back to the design. I'm going to save what I did as changes, and then I go back to the design. And if you want to change the background of this page, you just click here on background on the right side here, and then the image that is used here is hosted here already here. So you click this button here, and then you go grab any other background that you would like to use. If it is on your computer, you go to My Gallery, and then you upload your background from your computer to this page. And of course, don't forget to save the changes. Alright, that's a wrap. Imagine the impact these pages can have on your online presence. Whether you are a seasoned marketer or just starting out, these capture pages with PLR are your golden ticket to success. So click the link below to grab your 10 capture pages now.